Hey everyone, it's your guy, the Urban Window Farmer. In this week's episode, I'm going to be rewiring the Martian Tower Garden. As you can see here, I have a black cord which is for the pump, and I have an orange extension cord. This orange extension cord is, I would say, extremely durable. It is an indoor-outdoor extension cord. It has already served me for one season already, but I find it to be a little bit of an eyesore. I would like something that doesn't stand out as much on my deck, and maybe something that's not as long. So this week's episode, I'm going to be replacing the cord with this cord that I bought on Amazon. It's an also indoor-outdoor extension cord. It's black, so it's going to be a little bit, it won't be as noticeable as the orange extension cord. And also it has 3 slots that I can maybe plug other things into while I'm outside on the deck. So for this, I'm going to be using some wood screws. I have some 3D printed wire tie downs, and then I have just a standard screwdriver that I got from the IKEA store. Alright, so yeah, first unplug the old extension cord, and then I'll start to bring out the new one. Last season I didn't tie down the cord, I just kind of left it on the deck. But this season I would like a cleaner approach, so I'm going to actually tie it down to the deck. Alright, so first step that I decided to do was just use wire ties to secure the outlet to the rail. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten that. I may decide to put more wire ties later, just depending on how this turns out. And then next step, I just plug the pump for the Martian Tower Garden into the outlet just to see if everything fits, and it does. And the next step, I'll take the wire tie down that I 3D printed, and I'll take a standard wood screw and just secure that to the deck. Okay, seems pretty secure, and I will just repeat that step for the next screw. I'm just kind of eyeballing it around 18 inches between each screw. Alright, so have a look at the final result. So you can see it's a little bit less noticeable than the other wiring that I had, the orange wire, so I would say it looks a little better. But that's the end of that project. I'm going to be bringing out one more tower outdoors, so there'll be 2 towers. So I just wanted to kind of think about the best way to wire the system so that my deck doesn't look too messy once I get everything organized for the grow season. But I'm going to have one tower on the left and then one at the other corner of my balcony. One tower will be more focused on leafy vegetables, lettuce, brassicas, mustard greens. Then I'll have another tower which will mostly focus on peppers, tomatoes, cucumbers, and other kinds of flowering vegetables. So that's all that I have for you guys this week. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the like button and please consider subscribing to the channel, because there'll be more content around the Martian Tower Garden. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.